Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start! Conversation 1. Hi, I'm sorry I'm late. I had some last-minute errands. It's okay, we still have 20 minutes left. Have you eaten? I've had a granola bar, but I'm still feeling a little peckish. Alright, where do you want to go for lunch? Let's get some sandwiches from the canteen. I'm famished. I'm going to get more than a sandwich, perhaps a meat pie and some spring rolls. Did you have breakfast this morning? No, I didn't. No wonder. Conversation 2. It's 8:30 already. Do you still have a lot of work to do? Oh no, I'm just finalizing the report. Have you had dinner? No, I haven't. Have you? Yes, I have. Bailey and I went to get dinner after the meeting. Don't tell me you didn't have lunch either. Did you have lunch? Yes, I did. I had lunch with Mike. What did you have for dinner? Caesar salad with some croutons. Did you eat the creamy soup? No, I didn't. I was full. Here, I brought you some salad with extra olives. Oh, you didn't have to. I know, but I wanted to. Thank you. Now let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. I'm sorry I'm late. I had some last-minute errands. Have you eaten? I'm still feeling a little peckish. I'm famished. Did you have breakfast? No, I didn't have breakfast. No wonder. Have you had dinner? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Have you? What did you have? I'm full. Here, I brought you some salad with extra olives. You didn't have to. Thank you. I know, I wanted to. Notes. Have you eaten lunch? Did you eat lunch? Sama-sama artinya apakah kamu sudah makan siang? Tetapi memiliki arti yang sedikit berbeda ketika kita melihat grammar kalimatnya dalam bahasa Inggris. Kalimat have you eaten lunch menunjuk kepada sebuah peristiwa yang terjadi di masa lampau, tetapi masih terhubung dengan sekarang. Artinya, ada dampak dari peristiwa itu sekarang. Misalnya dari kalimat have you eaten lunch, kita mungkin menanyakan kalimat ini pada saat waktu makan siang sudah lewat, atau baru saja berakhir. Dampak dari pertanyaan ini adalah, jika jawabannya belum, maka kita ingin menyiapkan makanan untuk orang tersebut atau mau mengajaknya makan bersama. Kalimat did you eat lunch menunjuk kepada sebuah peristiwa yang terjadi di suatu titik tertentu di masa lalu. Misalnya, saat ini sudah sore. Kita ingin tahu apakah teman kita makan atau tidak tadi siang. Kita mengatakan, did you eat lunch? Kalimat lain yang bisa kita katakan selain have you eaten lunch adalah have you had lunch? Dua kalimat ini mempunyai arti dan grammar yang sama. Sama-sama menanyakan, apakah kamu sudah makan siang? Kalimat have you eaten lunch digunakan untuk situasi yang kurang resmi, less formal. Dan kalimat have you had lunch digunakan untuk situasi yang lebih resmi, more formal. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back next time.